In a quiet little town, a girl named Lily stumbled upon something strange. Every time she walked by the park, there was a shadow, a playful little puppy, but no one else could see it. Confused, she kept it to herself, thinking she was imagining things. Days passed, and Lily noticed the puppy was always there wagging its tail, chasing leaves and barking silently. One afternoon, she decided to investigate further. With her camera ready, she focused on the empty space where the puppy played. And just like that, she captured the moment. A photo of a puppy that only she could see until now.